I say bananas, you say peppers. And today I have slimy hands because just right there behind me, I just got done filming a Treasure X unboxing video. Today is probably gonna be a short but sweet video where we are gonna unbox some random POPMART figures that just showed up at my house one day. Actually like 4 boxes. So 3 of them are the Pucky Festival babies. And I think Pucky was one of the ones that we unboxed like an entire case of before. I think we really loved those. And I don't remember what they were called, like Pucky something, but they were all like moon and star in the sky kind of themed series. Then we have one that I've never unboxed anything from this like character series before, but I have seen it before. It's called Dimu. I don't know why this should not be that difficult for me to say, but this is actually like mystery pins. I don't think I've ever opened a mystery pin before. You guys, I forgot my sippy. If you want to hang out with me daily, follow my daily Snapchat story here. I love hanging out with you guys. That's what I was thinking about when I just filmed the Treasure X, because I asked you guys on a poll on my daily Snapchat show which one y'all wanted me to unbox next. And don't worry, we are gonna finish the second half of the summer camp miniatures. Why am I unboxing these before I finish those? I don't know, but I assure you that I will get to them. So these are called the Dimu Aquarium Series Mystery Pin Set. I feel like we should just open this one first because this is kind of like the one random one. So Aquarium series, sorry, I feel like I probably just said that twice. So they are all like sea creatures, like penguins, flying fish. That one looks so cute. Anglerfish, sea butterfly. I feel like somehow I don't know what that even means. And secret. So let's go ahead and unbox. I feel so weird to just be like sitting in a chair and not have like a tray or anything in front of me, but this tray is in a hopeless state right now, you guys. The thing I just unboxed was very slimy today. So this is what it looks like. And what did we get? Oh, we got this looks like the Nemo fish, clownfish, coral. Oh my God. Okay, so this is so cute because it says right on the box, mystery pin set. I thought when they said like set that they meant like the set of them, not that you got like 2 pins per box, because that is actually really adorable. So Dimu is supposed to be coral. So cute. But then there is a separate tiny pin, which is a clownfish. And I, like everyone's 5-year-old cousin, have to call it Nemo. These are really cute. This kind of makes me think that I would potentially like the figures of this Dimu character, and I just don't know why. I've never paid attention to it. Reminds me a little bit of the look of the satyr figure that we opened last year, maybe year before. And I think that character's name is Rory. All right, you guys, time to get into the... Oh wait, I was like, this sounds like there's something in it. It's probably the silica gel shaking around in there. So these are the Pucky Festival babies. Barbecue cat baby, fortune teller baby, goldfish baby, cotton candy bear baby. You guys, these are all so adorable, and I feel like I loved every single one from the last Pucky baby. Let's open it up and see what we have. So these actually do have the mystery bag inside of the box. Oh, okay, I forgot. Hello! I forgot. See, it's been so long since I've done POPMART. I forgot, like, don't look at the card because it's gonna tell you what you got before you even finish unboxing it. So Oh my gosh. Yay. Okay, when I just saw this one on the box, I was kind of hoping for the goldfish baby. I guess this is like going off of the concept of how you can like win. Although, do they do that anymore? I remember even when I was like a little kid, we used to have like an elementary school carnival where you could win a goldfish. I feel like that's like almost a dangerous concept, but he comes with all of these extras. You guys, this is one of those like weird times where like where I'm looking at this bag in real life, it looks like neon green, and then I'm holding it up, and as I'm looking at it on the monitor, on the camera, it's like golden yellow. It's gonna be interesting to see what it looks like when I'm editing. Is it gonna look green somehow, magically? So this is a little stand that it comes with, like so. And then we have a net, I think that this is. Wait, this is like a magnifying glass. You guys, I don't know what is going on here. I thought it was a goldfish net. And we have 4 goldfishes. Oh my God. You guys, I thought it was just 2 fishes. It's 4 fishes. I hope I'm even gonna be able to show you guys. Right now it's just a pile of tiny plastic in my hand, but we have 2 goldfishes. Can y'all even see that? And then we have 2 of these kind of red orange goldfishes. And I think we are supposed to, of course, oh, we're down a fish. I think we're supposed to plop all the fishes into the little fish. You guys, I dropped the same fish twice. Can y'all see the fishes in there? Maybe, just barely. All right, let's go ahead and give this guy his little, I swear it looks like a magnifying glass, but it must be a net, right? Because he's like standing over the goldfish trough to try and scoop one out. There we go. Ta-da! Box number 1. What an amazing experience, you guys. This is probably the one that I wanted the most, except for obviously I don't know what the secret is, so would I have wanted that one more? I don't know. Box number 2 is hopefully not a repeat. Oh, silica gel right on the bottom, right on the top. I wouldn't be scared if it was on the bottom. Okay. Ta-da! Let's see what we're gonna get this. Oh, okay, I thought it was the same thing, but it's different. This one is an octopus. I literally am gonna go ahead and look at the card and see. Oh my God, this is the snack that I never know how to pronounce. Takoyaki. I'm not saying that correctly, but I am trying. Once again, this is something I love about the POPMART figures, is how they mix a bunch of different materials, like the little squid or octopus on the top. Hopefully you guys are gonna be able to see. He is like a transparent, translucent material, and then the rest, of course, is opaque. So cute. I love their little faces. So it looks like he just has, oh, he has 2 extras as well. So these are the actual little snacks. I do love how they all have these little like display trays, you know, just like you would see at a festival. So they even have adorable little faces as well. And then there's 2 itty bitty little sticks in here. And I bet that our little Pucky baby, yeah. Okay, he holds both of the sticks. I bet it does go like pointy side down. So there we go. There's our little Pucky baby and his little Pucky festival stand. And now I'm craving like festival food. All right, you guys, last box of the day. See, I feel like this unboxing video was probably like lightning fast. All right, last, oh, this is weird. This has like 2 cards in there. I wonder what that means. Okay, let's open it up and see What did we get? Literally, what did we get? Oh my God, okay. I, once again, don't know. I don't know what this is supposed to be. Yeah, look at this. Oh, maybe he like sits on this. Maybe it's meant to be like a little portion of his display. A picnic monkey baby. I don't know. I almost wanted to say puppy monkey baby. Do you guys remember? That is still like the greatest Super Bowl commercial of all time. I feel like that was maybe like one of the least like popular Super Bowl commercials, but it has to be one of the most memorable. Puppy monkey baby, you just had to be there. He is not the secret, so I still don't know what the secret is. So his extras is, I don't remember how to pronounce this as well, but it's a snack that reminds me of the other snack we just saw, where it's like 3 of these little things on a skewer. He has these little like rice. I don't remember what these are called either. You guys, I am not good with the names of foods. So he does have a little mask on the top. I think that that is a type of monkey. And then it looks like he has like shaved ice and one of the fish snacks. Very cute little sweater. And they do show him like sitting on this little, I'm assuming it's meant to be like a blanket, and then you could put these 2 little like rice snacks are attached, so they could just sit like that, like a display. So that is it. I think all of these are adorable. Definitely my favorite was the first one, which was the goldfish, but also I am like extra pleasantly surprised by the cuteness of the mystery enamel pens. I don't feel like for whatever reason I've ever really been drawn to those before, and it's probably honestly because usually I see like 1 or 2 pens that I would like to have, but I guess that's the same as any mystery unboxing, because I'm like, well, I don't really like want pens that I like wouldn't put on a bag or something. I don't know. It doesn't make sense. It kind of makes me want to like rethink, like, should we maybe unbox some more mystery pins? Because you guys have tagged me in those like several times on TikTok. Like I've seen they have them at Disney and stuff. Although Disney has like a whole like pin trading thing. So that always made like a little bit more sense with that. I don't know. Should we do more mystery pins? Let me know. Oh my God, I wish they were like mystery writing pens. That would be even better. Anyway, you guys, y'all have to let me know what you think in the comments down below. Did you think that these were cute? Which one was your favorite? And should we unbox more mystery pins? Thank you guys so much for hanging out today and for watching. If you're not already and you'd like to be, hit the button down below. Oh, I just hit my tripod with my hand. Ow. Okay, hit the button down below before I break a finger. Subscribe, become a member of the Banana Pepper Squad today. And until I see you guys again, which is going to be very, very soon, stay happy, stay healthy, stay sassy, stay banana peppery. I love you guys so much, and I'll be back again very, very soon. Bye! You guys, that is going to be a bruise. And my hands are dry and crispy, like always. Oh, that hurt like so bad. You know, when you hit like the corner of something, that's what just happened to me. Anyway, I love you guys. Bye!